Happy day, children. Today we are going to see our next topic on Class 3 English Grammar Prepositions. What is a preposition? The words that tell us about the position of things and people are called prepositions. We place the preposition between the nouns and pronouns. Here are few examples of preposition: at, near, in, on, under, behind, beside, over, in front of, between, inside, and so on. So these words say about the position of things and people. So these are called as prepositions. Now, depending upon when, where, and in which direction, the preposition is divided into three types. If it says when, it is called as preposition of time. If it says where, the words which indicates where about the noun, it is called as preposition of place. But the words which indicates the direction of the noun, it is called as preposition of direction. Let us see elaborately about each and every type. The first type is preposition of place. Preposition of place is nothing but the words which shows us where something happens. They are called as preposition of place. Here are few examples. If you see the first example, the apple is on the table. It says about the noun. Where is the apple? The apple is on the table. So, the word on is the preposition. Now, let us check about the second sentence. The cat is under the table. Where is the cat? Under the table. So the word under is the preposition here. Clothes are in the bucket. Where is the clothes? In. So the word in is the preposition. So these words on, under, in says where something happens. So that is called as preposition of place. There are few more examples of preposition of place. You can see in the picture here: behind, beside, on, under, between, in front of, near, above. So, if you observe the pictures carefully here, you can understand the examples of preposition of place. Now, let us move on to our next type, preposition of time. The preposition which shows when something happens. It says when something happens. They are called as preposition of time. Let us take the first example. School starts at 9 o'clock. When does the school start? At 9 o'clock. So the word at is the preposition. We are going to zoo on Saturday. When are you going to go to zoo? On Saturday. So the word on is the preposition. You must finish the work by Friday. When does the work has to be completed? By Friday. So the word by is the preposition. So the words at, on and by in these sentences say when something happens. So they are called as preposition of time. And the last type of preposition is preposition of direction. Some prepositions show where something is going. They are called as preposition of direction. Let us take about the first sentence in the example. The boys chased after each other. Where does the boys chase? After each other. So the word after is the preposition. The football rolled down the hill. Where does the ball roll? Down the hill. So the word down is the preposition of direction. We were traveling towards Miami. Where are you traveling? Towards. So the word towards indicates the preposition of direction. Here are few more examples of preposition of direction. You can see the pictures clearly with the direction marks on each and every picture. Up, down. You can see the direction of the ball. Up. The next example, down, over, to, away from, past, into, out of, around, and so on. So, here are the brief description of preposition of place again with few more examples. Behind, in front of, next to, between, near, above, below, in, on. They are called as preposition of place. And preposition of time, in the morning, on Monday, at 8:30. You can see many examples given with a clear picture here. And at the last is the preposition of direction, into the box, out of the box, around the box, away from the box, towards the box, past the box, onto the box, off the box, over the box, and so on. Now I think children, you are clear with all the three types of preposition. Thank you.